After the lockdown has lifted, we decided to go out for a holiday. So in this video, we're going to show you some parts of Devon, and this is Brixham. Stay tuned, guys. Hello guys, it's me again. We are here now in the caravan. This is our second day and we're going to do the room. We've received a small paperwork from the reception. Then they lead us to the caravan. This is how it looks like. And now we're going to do the room. I shall just show the paperwork first before the room tour. So this is it. So guys, this is the content of our package. Upon opening the package, we have here some papers and more papers. Inside the paper is welcome holiday starts here. Also, we have a Landscove holiday booklet again with some information with regards to the time, some information with regards to the takeaways and discount vouchers, and etc, etc. Also, we have some paper again. So we have some compliments paperwork. We have some more paperworks. It's an entertainment thing. Also, we have some service monitor group church gates. I have no idea what that is. Also, we have some more paperwork and some papers, and job done paper thing. They provided 6 paper cards, test and trace scanner thing. I don't know how to do that. So that's it. We're going to do the room tour now. The entrance of the house. Before that, we have here the picture of the caravan. That's Fred, and that's the former barbecue grill. And this is the house. First, let's visit the first cabinets here. So let's visit the room. So the first room is the biggest room. This is the master's bedroom. We've got some cabinets, and also we've got some hangers here. Then, of course, some hangers and more cabinets and mirrors. Then there's a TV there, and bed there, and a heater. And now we have here more room. This is just 2 single beds. The toilet. This is the toilet. No, this is not the toilet yet. This is the bathroom and the shower with the sink. That's the shower with a little window and a heater and 2 doors for. This is the alley door, and this is the bed. Whatever. I cannot open the door yet, but that's the door to the master's bedroom. Then let's go to the toilet. This is the toilet, guys. Just a small one, a very small toilet with a heater and the sink as well. And this is the kitchen. So the kitchen here is simply a kitchen with some food. There's no food. Those were foods we provided for ourselves, and we've got some cutleries. Plates that's provided, and some more plates, fire thing, and also the sink. That's the oven. It's the oven. Ooh, got it there. And this is the with TV and a expandable or folding bed, folding whatever. So that's it, guys. That's our room tour. Stay tuned.
Bagay.
Oh.
Bagay gamit ng katawan.
Oh.
Sa ulo?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you here on holiday?
Yes.
Have you been to Dawlish Warren before?
First time.
First time? And do you like it? Yeah? Would you come back again?